Why everyone should visit Norway once in their life. Norway not only has activities for every type of visitor, from skiing and polar bear sightings to gorgeous fjords and mountains, but it also has fantastic food, scenery, and so much more that you may have never seen or experienced before. Surprisingly, it has always been one of those countries that most people want to visit but never get around to doing so. Many people are terrified of extreme cold, but if you visit Norway in the summer, you will find that it can be as hot as the rest of Europe in certain locations. Some think it won't have as many adventure options as other counties might offer, but that's also a myth. The best place to experience the Northern Lights. How can we not start our list of reasons with Norway's best, the Northern Lights? Northern, we believe, as the research shows, that Norway, with its numerous islands and epic scenery, is one of the most beautiful and exciting spots in the world to observe the Northern Lights. If you're unfamiliar with the Northern Lights, the phenomenon is relatively simple to describe on a very basic level. It is caused by the collision of electrically charged particles from the sun that penetrate the Earth's atmosphere. The city of Troms is one of the greatest sites in Norway to experience the Northern Lights, and you can even book a professional or chasing trip whereby you not only get to experience magic, but can also capture some of the most spectacular images, even if you are not into photography. It really is the happiest country in the world. Last year, the year before that, and the year before that, Norway was declared the happiest country in the world. According to the World Happiness Report, Norway is the happiest country in the world, followed by Denmark, Iceland, and Switzerland. Norway earned this designation not just because it is a beautiful country, but also because of its high GDP per capita, long life expectancy, and good social support for those in need. Even their lowest-paying jobs pay far more than the bulk of high-paying jobs in the rest of the world. Norwegians are generally kind people, but it takes some time for them to warm up to new individuals. Without a doubt, you will be made to feel at home. Step into history like never before. Explore the 1,000-years-old city of Trondheim. Trondheim was Norway's first capital, still remains a significant city to this day. Trondheim is a world-leading center of technological and scientific research, more than 1,000 years after its establishment. From Harald Fairhair through Harald V, the city has crowned and blessed many of Norway's rulers. Although coronations are no longer held in Trondheim, a benediction is still held. Trondheim marked its 1,000th anniversary last year. While certain archaeological finds in Trondheim date back to the 8th century, the city was actually established in 997 by King Olav Tryggvason. Trondheim was Norway's capital during the Viking Age, and it now has a population of over 180,000 people, making it the country's fourth biggest city. Ski in summer. Summertime skiing. A surprising idea, isn't it? In Norway it's possible. A summer skiing excursion is a memorable and rather mind-boggling experience. Thanks to the fantastic weather, extended daylight hours, and plenty of sunlight, it is possible to ski in the summertime in Norway. Norway has snow all year because of its high mountains and high latitude. Jotunheimen National Park in southern Norway, about halfway between Oslo and Bergen, is an ideal summer skiing destination. Alpinists and cross-country skiers will find well-prepared slopes and routes. The tallest mountain in Norway is known as Galdhøpiggen, which is 2,469 meters high. A summer ski facility, Galdhøpiggen Sommerskisenter, is located on top of the glacier that covers the mountain and is open from May to August. The facility contains one ski lift and has one slope, which is divided into 25 pistas, as well as a freestyle area. It is also feasible to take a guided hiking trek to the mountain's summit. Spot some charming fauna. Norway is an ideal site for admiring the country's unique flora and wildlife, which includes endearing species like the Arctic fox, polar bear, reindeer, walrus, and many more. Even if the wild creatures can only be seen in particular places, such as the Svalbard archipelago or the Jotunheimen region. It is undeniably one of the most memorable aspects of a vacation to Norway. Polar bears and the Arctic fox are the two animals that are found in abundance in Norway. They may be found all across Norway, with the most common being Borgefjell and South Gjelitsvartesen national parks. Because of the color of their fur, which is totally white, it is frequently difficult to find them in the deep crevices of the snow during the winter months. When it comes to wildlife observation in Norway, these two are the most common. Aside from that, there is a plethora of different fauna found across Norway. Reindeer elk, and moose are among the other beautiful creatures found in Norway. Witness masterpieces of nature, majestic fjords, and waterfalls. Since Norway offers a long list of hiking trails, mountain summits, and cascading waterfalls to the travelers wishing to see some of Europe's most stunning views, it is often on the top of the list for nature enthusiasts too. The renowned fjords, a mainstay of traditional Norwegian beauty, present visitors with magnificent vistas around the nation. Explore the architecture of Norway, the perfect mix of the old and the new. One of Norway's most distinguishing traits is its authentic architectural history. In addition to its postcard-like cities like Bergen and Trondheim, which have long been popular architectural jewels on practically any Norway itinerary, the country has a wealth of other excellent places for you to discover. Make sure your camera is ready for some scenic images. Husky sledding. If you want to try your hand at becoming a musher, dog sledding in Norway is a must-do. Travel through the Norwegian wilderness, escorted by a pack of enthusiastic huskies, with frequent opportunities to feed and care for the huskies yourself throughout. According to the General View, Hotel Heronova boasts one of the best farms on the site, with over 400 huskies ready to show you the best of their native environment. Husky sledding is a once-in-a-lifetime experience which is offered in Norway, so be sure to try it out, as it is one of the best reasons why one must visit Norway. Norway is a real-time movie set. Norway has sprinkled its enchantment in innumerable films, from Christopher Nolan's Tenet to the recent James Bond thriller No Time to Die. With its intriguing architecture and magnificent landscape, it's no surprise that the streets and fields of Norway have served as film sets on numerous occasions throughout the years. Book your trip to Norway today. Conclusively, Norway is a great country to visit since it is rich in history and natural beauty, as well as a variety of amazing prospects and experiences, which is why we'd say everyone should visit Norway once in their life. In fact, it is without a doubt one of the most naturally beautiful countries on the planet. This Nordic nation is intriguing because it is brimming with incredible experiences that must be explored firsthand. Whether you're summiting its towering mountains, traversing its deep fjords, or visiting its clean, culture-infused cities,